Hi guys, welcome back to X and Yung. Today I'm going to talk about buying a property with no money down because I have done it. I have done it before. In 2019, I have purchased a property with little to no money down. Okay, I cannot say no money lah. Okay, I have not put a single cent on the property deposit. That is true. That is the reality. I have not put a single cent on the property as a deposit. And this property is not in Malaysia, it's not in Thailand. I purchased this property in Singapore. Okay, and here's how I did it. First of all, I joined an investment group. You guys know that I make this video about a scam kind of thing. Yeah, I joined that group. Okay, and I studied about property. They shared about property, and the cool thing is there is a community of people in that group that wants to purchase a property like me, right? And then in the community of people, there are also people of varying circumstances, right? And at my circumstances at that point of time, I'm young, I just worked for 2 years at that point of time, and I have not enough cash to even deposit, or talking about a deposit, 200,000 deposit. How the hell a person like me, young person, can purchase a property, right? Simple fact. I can loan. Because my loan, I haven't purchased any single property, right? Not in Malaysia, not in Singapore, nowhere. I have not purchased anything. I don't even, heck, that time I don't even have a credit card, right? I don't even have a credit score, okay? But because of, after joining that, I know that I need to make a credit card. Why? Because to generate a good credit score, right? So the banks know that, oh yes, X can actually borrow money and his credit rating is high. Okay, I did get a credit rating after I get the credit card and pay it off early. Now, how did I purchase a property with no money down? So after I met and study, and I met a few times a lot of people, you know, because when we go to classes, you also talk to different type of people, and this different type of people also want to purchase property, right? But then they just can't purchase it because of the circumstances. Like I'm too young, I don't have enough cash, and another person, he's too old, he have a lot of cash, but he don't have enough loan, right? Because he already have a condo, you know, the wife got a condo, the son also got condo, you know, that kind of thing. The whole family got property, and you know, they just don't have enough total debt servicing ratio, which is the amount to borrow from the banks. They don't have enough capacity to take a loan, right? That's the thing, because they have car, they have commitments, you know. However, they have a lot of cash. So if you marry 2 and 2 together, what happens, right? A young person that can take a loan and an old person that can't take a loan but have a lot of cash. You can marry it together. That's how I did it. I proposed to joint venture, okay, share to purchase this property together. Okay, we have a contract, we open up a company together to purchase this property. That's all, right? I can take a loan, 30 years, maximize that 30 years loan and lower down the mortgage significantly, and then the other person can invest cash. So he technically invested 200,000 Singapore dollars, but then 70,000 of that can be refunded via GST, right? Goods and service taxes. So it's actually 130,000 deposit, and not a single cent was mine. Okay, not a single cent. What I provide down on the table is, the property is $1 million, okay, and I provide $900,000, $900,000 in loan. Okay, so even though the other person provided 130,000, I provided 930,000 via the bank. Okay, it's not my money, it's a loan, right? It's a loan borrowed from the bank to purchase the property. The good thing is, since this is a joint venture, both of us have a stake in it. him via cash, me via the loan from the bank. Okay, I know it sounds risky for some of you because obviously there's a lot to this that is not explained, right? You can't explain this in like what 10 minutes via a YouTube video, so you have to go and study this via the iQuadrant. Joining them, I learned a lot in terms of property investment and how to understand your risk tolerance and how to understand how to how to so many things right? How to get tenants in, how to negotiate the lease, how to negotiate the purchase itself. And these are of course not taught in a span of few minutes. This is days and days and master classes and classes, and you have to go down and put your effort in it to learn it, right? So it's not as easy as this video taught make it sound like, okay? There's a lot of roller coaster of emotions that you have to go through when purchasing your first property. It's very, very, very scary because I come from Malaysia, and Malaysia, we have the ringgit, and 1 million ringgit is a lot for me, and coming here 1 million Singapore dollar is triple times a lot. You get what I mean? What amount of pressure and stress, and of course the family also, you need to talk to your family, and the family also have to explain to them that this is a process I have to go through because I want to invest, I want to grow my money. That's how you purchase a property with little to more no money down. Okay, I did put money lah. Okay, like when you open when you open the company, you need to pay someone to do it because you are new. I'm new that time. I don't even know how to open a company, so I paid $750. That's between me and my partner. We share now, right? We have a certain percentage that we agreed upon, and then we share half, something like that. Then second thing is also paid the lawyer fees. Remember, when you purchase a property, you need to pay lawyer fees. Okay, there are fees involved, though not as much as Malaysia one, because I bought a Malaysia property. It's much more expensive. So lawyer fees, pay the lawyer fees, and also you also need to put in a bit of deposit into the bank, right? UOB bank, that time they asked us to put a minimum deposit, $5,000. So of the 5,000, I need to put in 1,500, right? So things like this, okay? That yes, you still need money, but it's not as a lot as you would think lah. Yeah, so it's just a mix and match. Hope you find a lot of value in this video, and please like and subscribe and share to your friends, and hopefully you guys can buy property, your own property. It's very simple. Thank you guys. Love you. See you guys next week.